In this video, we are going to do some MCQ questions which are based on the relation between mean, median, and mode. So there is an empirical relationship between these three measures of central tendency. And what is it? 3 median is equal to 2 mode plus 3 mean. Now let's begin with the first question here. Now, when we see the first question here, it says which of the following is true. Well, when you see these options A, B, C, D, you'll find that none of these is same as what we have written here, right? None of these is same here. Now, in that case, what you can observe here that we are actually have to find mode is equal to what. So for that, what I'm going to do is to isolate mode here. So if I transpose, keeping mode on the one side and transposing mean to the other side, what we are getting? We are getting 3 median, right? We are getting 3 median minus, because on transposing this to the left hand side, it will be minus 2 mean. So it should be mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, right? So therefore, we'll say that C is the correct option here. That is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Similarly, you can have MCQ in any other options given here. You may be asked what is mean is equal to. In that case, if you remember one relation, you can isolate. Like over here, if you isolate mean, it will be what? 3 median minus mode, that is minus mode divided by 2. Right. So this way you can be asked. Now let's see what is the next question here. In the next question, that is question number 2, it says the mean and the median of this distribution. That means we know the value of mean here as this, and say the median here is given as 46. What we have to find out is the mode in this case. Now what we just need to do is to plug in the value. So what I'm going to do is we know the median, and as you can see, median is 46. So it's 3 times 46 is equal to mode is what we have to determine, right? So let's keep mode as it is, plus 2 times mean, and mean is how much? Mean is given as 45.9. Now we'll multiply this. 3 into 46 will give you 138 is equal to, as I said, we need to determine mode. So we'll keep mode as it is, and plus the 2 multiplied by 49.5 should give you 91.8. On transposing this to the left hand side, so I'm transposing this is 138 minus 91.8 should be equal to the value of mode. Therefore, we'll get the mode as the difference, and the difference comes out to be 46.2. And we'll say, therefore, the mode, this is what the mode. So as for the option, I can see that D is the correct option. Now let's move to the next question. In the next question, it says that for a certain frequency distribution, mean is 6 more than the mode. Mean is 6 more than the mode, and we have to find the relation between the median and the mode. So we are going to use this empirical relation, but first of all, we will write the mode I'm taking as X, right? So if I take mode, so I took mode as X, then I can say the mean, which is 6 more than, right? So mean I can say therefore is 6 more than the mode. So that is X plus 6. Now, since we need a relation between the median and the mode, I have to calculate the median. I'm going to use this relation, that 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So let's say if I plug in the value, let's say as of now, I'm writing 3 median is equal to mode. Mode is what? X plus 2 times mean, and mean we have calculated as X plus 6 from here. Now let it be 3 median only. 3 median is equal to X. If I open this bracket, it is 2 times X plus 2 times 6, which is 12. Further, we can say that 3 median is going to be X plus 2X, that is 3X plus 12. Now, if I transpose this 3 to the other side, taking 3 first common from here, and X plus 4 will come, that divided by 3. See, we got median, right? We got median as x plus 4 here. Now check here, the median which we got here is x plus 4, right? We got the median as x plus 4 and mode is x. So what we can say that median, as you can see, median is x plus 4. That means x plus 4 is what? Mode plus 4. So we can say that the median here is 4 more than. Median is 4 more than 4 more than the mode, right? Because the median here is x plus 4, and what is x? X is the mode. So we'll say that the median is 4 more than the mode. In rest of these three more parts, you can see everywhere we are going to just plug in. Like in the fourth part, we can plug in mean as mean over here, just the mean. So we can replace mean with this value, and the median as 127, and on transposing you can get the value of the mode. That's what they wanted. Now similarly, when you see the next one, it says that for a certain frequency distribution, median and mode are these. We have to find the mean. Same way, as you can see in this question, we have median given as 55, while the mode is 70. So what you are going to do is to replace this median here with 55 and this mode with 70. On transposing, you can get the value of mean. Now coming to the last question here, I think it's again same. It says if the mode and median are given as these values, we have to obtain the mean. So we can see here that the mode, which is this, so I can replace mode here with 12.9, and we can replace the median which is given as 14.44. So we can replace this median with 14.44. On transposing, you can get the value of the mean. So this way we can solve more questions like this. Well, important thing to understand here that we should always remember just one relation. I prefer to remember this: 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. And then, depending upon the options given here, you can transpose and select the correct option. In MCQ 8, we have to find the mean of the first 10 multiples of 6. So we know that mean will be equal to what? Sum of all observation, that is 6 plus first 6 multiples, right? Of 10 is what? 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 20. Next is 24, right? 24, and so on. And the last will be 60. That divided by total number of observation, that is, what is the total number of observation? That has to be 10 only. Now let's say if I have to get this sum, what we can do here, that we can simplify this working. What I'm doing here, I'm taking 6 common from here. So taking 6 common from here, I'll get what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and up to 10. Now check here, these are what? These are the sum of first n natural number. And we have a formula for finding the sum of first n natural number. And that is what? The formula for finding the sum of first n natural number is n plus 1, that divided by 2. So we can see n is what? 10 here. 10 into n plus 1, that is 10 plus 1, 11 divided by 2. I can reduce it. That comes out to be 55. Well, I'm talking about the sum of this. But then 6 multiplied by 55 is what? The 6 multiplied by 55 is what? The product. Now what I'm going to do is to replace this. I'm going to replace this value here from what? The sum which we have obtained. So I'm going to replace, and then mean, this is what we got as 55 into 6, and that divided by 10. Yes, it can be reduced. 5 2 times, 5 11 times, 2 1 times, 2 3 times. So we got mean as 33. So therefore 33, I think, yeah, this is the correct option. That is option B in this case. The next question, MCQ 9, says the age of 18 students in a class are reported below, and we have to find the model age. Now, these are the option given here. What is mode? Like, mode is what? The observation which has the maximum frequency, the one which occurs for the maximum number of times. Option 22, as you can see, there is no number 22, so that cannot be mode. Now check for 17 here. Now, how many times is 17? What is the frequency of 17? 1, 2, 3, 4. Have I missed any? I haven't. Then the other option is 14. Let's check for the 14 as well. This is 1, 2, 3. Right. So it is appearing for 3 times. So it cannot be because 17 is 4 times. Then the third option is 16. When we look into 16, it is 1 and 2 times. So clearly, we can see from here the one having the maximum frequency is 17. Therefore, 17 is the mode. Repeating, the mode is the observation which has the maximum frequency. In MCQ 10, it says weekly household expenditure of families living in a housing society are shown in the table, as you can see. What we have to find out is the upper limit of the model class. Now, what do you know? Model class is the one which has the highest frequency. As I can see, highest frequency is 48, and therefore this is the model class, that is 9,000 to 12,000, whose lower limit is 9,000. Lower limit is what? 9,000. And what we have to find is upper limit, right? So upper limit is going to be 12,000. So we'll say that this is the correct answer. That is 12,000. In MCQ 12, I haven't taken the option here. In a continuous frequency distribution, the median of the data is found to be 21. Later, if each observation is increased by 5, then the new median. But you should know that whatever the change, if the same change is made on each observation, then median will also have the same change. Like earlier, the median is 21, and if each observation is increased by 5, then the new median will also increase by 5. So we'll say that the new median will be 26. In the next MCQ, we have to find the median for the first 10 prime numbers. So median is what? The middlemost observation. In that case, if I write down all the median, all the 10 prime number, first 10 prime numbers, it's going to be 2 is the first, 2, 3, 5, then 7, 9 is not prime, 11. We have 13 as the next, then it is 17, then 19, 23, and then 29. How much of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Now, as you know that the median is the middlemost value, and the middlemost value in this case is going to be what? These two are the middlemost value. You can check here. The middlemost value has to be this only, right? But we cannot have two median. In that case, the median in this case will be what? 11 plus 13 divided by 2. And how much it is? 24 divided by 2, that is equal to 12. So the correct option in this case will be 12. One more time, you should note that the median is the middlemost observation or the value, and for even number of datas we can have two observations, as you can see. In that case, the average of these two number is 12, and therefore we'll declare 12 as the median for this MCQ.